welcome to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we have something pretty special, an editing suite that is working on the cloud. So your even slow editing machine can work around all the edits on your portraits and being exported without the hassle for a fast commercial work, your fast Instagram post or your actual family photos. Well, we are talking about RETOUCH4ME APEX. And yes, I'm using it a lot in one of my one-time edits, so I can get the exports made faster and without the hassle of batch processing a lot amount of photos with a bigger commercial production. This will export them pretty fast and on time, and having all the actual edits visible while you edit, so you can smooth transition your edits while visible on actual photo. And yes, you can turn in and off all the edits so you will see what you have done, and actually if you don't like it, turn off and on your 11 presets so you get a better understanding of the complete situation of your next edit portrait. This is a new standalone plugin, or it can be incorporated through Photoshop. I will be using the actual standalone program to enter and edit all the photos. Before starting, let's sum up. This is a real-time preview editing process where the results can be seen as you move the sliders to change the settings. There are 11 plugins. You don't need a powerful computer because this is a cloud retouch based editing. It will be working in Photoshop or a standalone tool, and also allowing you to make custom presets for batch processing. The fully retouched file with all the possible settings embedded will be stored on your local computer, and you will be able to tweak it once you receive the file from the server that you uploaded. This interface is extremely user-friendly, and it will allow you to choose and apply all the plugins at the same time, using just one button. Just remember, Apex is only for cloud retouching, and you have two options: monthly cloud subscription or getting and purchasing the cloud retouching packs. Getting it through my promo code gives you extra credit retouches when buying a subscription, or 20% discount with getting the cloud retouching packs. Basically, this is a simplified tool that will be super handy for those photographers that photograph a lot but they don't know much about retouching and don't necessarily want to go in depth on that, but they want a quick professional result. Okay, so let's go straight to one of my edits that I've done recently for one of my commercial portrait works. Let's go straight in it. After selecting your dedicated photo, the image will be uploaded to the cloud. So on the cloud will be done the complete edit, saving so much power on your editing machine. And in the other hand, you don't need a powerhouse of a computer to doing that. On the right side, there is the panel to speed up your complete process of editing and make it a breeze. Under it, there are the amount of credits left for the photo edits. Presets, where you can do your own dedicated preset value or use one of the already available presets. Portrait Essentials, where we are seeing already the effect taking place immediately. Perfect skin, perfect portrait, and product retouching. That is an added feature when shooting product commercials. With these 11 plugins, we shall be pretty fast on editing the photos. And yes, this video is sponsored by RETOUCH4ME APEX, lifting up the complete look of the portrait with a slider amount, and all the effects are visible instantaneously without the need to wait. Heal the spot in a breeze for a pretty polished face. Dodge and burn for an immediate result, and portrait volumes enhancing the complete volume, adding shadows on the face. Eye vessels and the skin tone for smoothing out to have an even tone look. With the modifier you can remove the shiny parts from the face and get an even more pleasant look. Whiten your teeth on your desired. Smoothing the fabric of the clothes and having a clean backdrop look if your backdrop is not smooth. On the left upper part, you can hold the view for the original photos, pan and zoom. Brush to check the heal fill mask with the erase function, and check with the inverted mask. Saving the picture will automatically apply all the edits and save it to your computer. Some pretty amazing results done in a breeze. Okay, let's go to another edit to check it how easy and how fast it's done with just a couple of clicks. So let's enter straight inside and browse one of my images to get it done straight away, and I will be checking one of my recent commercials to get straight on, so we shall be going into this footage right here, and after a couple of seconds the footage is opened and we are ready to edit. The actual photo is ready to start retouching, and we are seeing that we are uploading the footage to the cloud to get a smoother edit without any problem. Now the uploading is at 100% and the processing is almost finished, with about 5 to 10 second waits to get the image processed immediately. Okay, after the processing done, we have the complete image ready to be processed, and in a couple of seconds we can already see that some actual processing were done immediately by the actual program, and we shall be now starting to process the image manually. So let's undo all the check marks and start again from this part. So we have a pretty well exposed image with my model, and we actually have sunglasses. So we can do a slight lifting of the face for a better overall smooth look. After that we can heal some of the spots on the face, even we don't have a lot of them. We are seeing right here that we have some couple of spots that have to be healed, and the healing applied. After that we can dodge and burn the whole face to get a smoother look overall. After that, some portrait volumes that apply some actual shadows to get the smoothest face possible. We don't have to clean up eye vessels because we have sunglasses, and also we don't have eye brilliance, but we can smoothen up the skin tone applying, let's say, approximately 50%. We can mattify the complete face just like a bit. Actually this is a pretty exposed well image, so we don't need more. We can slightly widen it, but in this case we don't need it because we don't have almost the teeth visible. And the fabric, we have smoothened out the complete fabric to look slightly better. Actually this is the part when it gets smoothened the best. And if we want a slightly clearer backdrop, well, that's it. Even if this is just a building behind it, it's trying to make the complete background footage better. And after that we can just save up and don't replacing it, but just saving it like a new picture, and the result will be made in just a couple of seconds with the new footage edited. So if you need a fast tool to edit your photos, even if you don't have a clue on how to edit portraits, Apex is the perfect choice, and the first link in the description will guide you straight to the download site and get some amazing discounts with my code. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a video, and see you on my next one.